Hi all, so in the previous video we learned how to make the fingers for the Infinity Gauntlet. So now we learn how to make this part. Similarly, I have taken the square paper, but for this it's preferably you can take a bigger one. We can now fold it over here. You can now see a line here, you can just fold it there. You just fold it back here. You can see a line here. You hold it like that. You can just turn it. You can see a line here. You need to fold this towards that line. Similarly here. Then you fold it on the top just to give the gemstone shape of the gemstone. And now we can fold this side. Now we can fold here. Now we can turn it over. So we need to insert this at this pocket. Now this part is also ready. So the only remaining part is this one. So we'll learn how to make this one. So now I have taken a bigger square paper. So we can now fold it. Okay, so before doing that we need to do a small fold here. Turn it over and put this in here. And you can now undo the folds. And now similarly you can see a pocket here and you can insert this. Now we have inserted it. So before inserting we need to do one fold. So this is a rough fold, it's not we are not doing this with any measurements. So now we can see two straight lines. We need now just make it as a slanting fold. So you can see that a slanting line here. Similarly here. And then here. And now I need to fold it like this. So now the only remaining part is the inserting work. You can just insert it. Now it's ready. You know, just make some small corrections here. Now the last part is also ready. With this, our Infinity Gauntlet is ready. So our Infinity Gauntlet is ready. I have done this using a gold paper and then I have colored it for all the gems points, and here I have stuck a yellow color paper. So isn't it easy? Thank you for watching.